Hi there, how are you? Stay safe. Recently, I designed a cake with rosettes to mark the Bengali New Year. Though not much to celebrate currently, it did cheer up my folks. In this video, I have explained the rosette technique simply and in detail. You will be able to master it certainly. There's also a bonus design for you. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. To make the rosettes, you could go clockwise or anti-clockwise. So for the anti-clockwise, the motion will be something like this, and then you take it up. The next one begins here and take it up like this. For the clockwise, we end it downwards. Instead of like drawing with a pen, we'll hold it like this and we'll go or for the anti-clockwise, end it on top, start from there, end it on top, air bubbles, and so it goes. If you are doing it clockwise, end it down, start from there, down, start from there. That's how it will go. Place a cake board on the turntable according to the size of your cake. Apply some whipped cream. Place the bottom half. Some cold milk on top. I'll put a dam at the edge of the cake. Filling coffee cream really goes well with the chocolate. Spread it out. Cover it with the top layer and press it in place. Milk. Now for crumb coating. Some cream on top and the sides. Use a knife or a palette knife if you have one and just spread it as you would butter a toast. That will seal the crumbs in place. And then on the sides as well. That's about it. Just a thin layer will do. Put it in the fridge for about half an hour. Fill the whipped cream in icing bags. I am using two colors, peach and pink. One is fitted with a 2D nozzle and the other one with 1M. I am using a paper napkin to wipe the tips from time to time. I'll begin with the peach and I'll go anti-clockwise. 1M is an open start tip. 2D is a closed start tip. Both the tips are by Wilton, available online. Once that is done, I'll start with the pink. If you like the video, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section. For the top, I am doing white because I ran out of the pink and the peach. I'll go over the edge. That looks quite pretty actually. Have you subscribed to my channel already? So I'll just keep going till the entire top area is covered. I'll just add in a few leaves here and there. You could also decorate it with sugar pearls or draggies. Beautiful now? Everyone will love it. Cover your cake with white whipped cream, sharp edge. Make a single row of rosettes on the vertical surface. Alternate two colors for the rosettes. Add in leaves above and below the rosettes. Looks very elegant.